You don't want to be the woman who says, I'm going to follow through. I'm going to follow through consistently, and I want to be confident about it. You don't want to keep saying, I'm going to start doing this, and you are tired of starting and stopping. You don't want to keep saying, it's going to happen again, it's going to happen tomorrow, and then it doesn't happen. Because every time it happens, it chips away at something deeper within you. Not your discipline, queen, your self-trust. What you actually want is to be the kind of woman who makes decisions, who follows through, and who stands behind her word. Not for anyone else, but for yourself. But right now, there's a gap. And that gap isn't laziness, queen. It's misalignment. When you don't trust your internally, and when you don't trust your instinct internally, you hesitate externally. So there was a woman who told me, I keep saying I'm going to do this and that, but I don't trust myself anymore. Not because she didn't care, but because she had gotten used to overriding herself. And every time she didn't follow through, it wasn't about the task. It was about losing trust in herself. Have you ever been there? You don't need more discipline or motivation. You need a way to rebuild your self-trust within you, step by step. And that connection you're craving, queen, it doesn't come from doing more. It comes from learning how to return to yourself with structure. This is the kind of shift that happens when you begin reconnecting to yourself. It's the work I guide women through inside the 6 Crown Living Method. And if you feel that, if you felt that, then you know, you already know. And the next step is going to be in the description. Can you relate to that story, queen? Can you relate to that story? Well, that's what this group, this Facebook group that literally started out as 50 Fit and Fabulous, we are making changes. We are going to call this group now the Crown Life Circle. And I am excited to bring in new women who know that they're in a different season in their life and that are looking for more, right? So most of us have aged out of the group and it's now time to explore the next season in our lives. And so I am breathing life back into this group. And I would love for you to help me do that too. Breathe life back into the group. I want you to be active again. I want you to encourage the new women that are coming into this group and then revive some of the ones who were in the group a while ago. Hey, Kimberly, how are you, queen? It's so good to see you on here with me. And so I am so excited to be revitalizing this Facebook group. Oh my goodness. I am so excited to see what, um, how we can serve more women in a different way this time. We're all in a new season of our lives, especially those who were in this group originally. And I didn't want to continue abandoning this group, right? And so the banners are going to change. The description is going to change. The purpose of this group is going to change. And I'm excited about it. I hope that, my hope and my prayer is that, we can go to the next level with the women that are already in the group and then those who are coming in the group. I just had a graduation with a woman that took my, 6 Crown Living method, and it was awesome. I mean, the transformation, it's just such an honor to be able to serve and help people transcend where they come from, right? The transformation that they experience and that I personally see. It's awesome. It is awesome to be able to witness that and to be a part of that. And so, if you can relate to this story where you are tired of starting over, tired of being misaligned in your life, tired of putting everyone else first, right? And putting yourself on the back burner. This group, this program that I now own is a faith-centered, private coaching experience. It's an experience for women who are ready, right? Women who are ready to stop starting over and to begin living their lives in alignment, right? Mind, body, and spirit. It's for women who are high-powered women, just regular women as well, that don't need more motivation. They already know what they are looking for deep in their spirit, but they just need someone to guide them. They need someone to guide them back to self-trusting, to trust themselves again, and to build that confidence again. And they need a rhythm, a structured rhythm that will honor who they are now. Because see, like I said, I started this group when I was 49 and a half, and certainly I am not 49 and a half, and I am a woman now, right? I have all those years of experience under my belt now, life experiences, and so I'm an empty nester now, right? My youngest now is 20 years old in the Navy. I can't believe it. And I'm in a new phase, a new season in my life, and I know many of you are as well. And sometimes we just need a little help to sort our lives out, to guide us back to who we were or who we are rediscovering. When I say get you back to who you were, no, you can never go back to who you were. What I mean by that is becoming the best and better version of yourself with who you are now, right? Who you are now. It's time to keep moving forward. It's time to start putting ourselves as priority. Because if we're not good, our world is not going to be good. And what I mean by that is our family, our friends, our little world that we are a part of in this big piece of world. And so I just want to encourage those who may be listening, who's watching the replay. Get ready, because I'm going to be challenging you. I am going to be challenging you. And if this message resonates with you, then raise your hand and let me know. I will have the information to just click on. It's a form application if you may, to just see if this is a perfect fit for you to go to the next level. And then we will have what I like to call a soul work relationship, SOUL, right? Our soul work. And so we will be rediscovering and unearthing some of the best parts of ourselves that we forgot about and that we are going to be introduced to. So get ready, ladies, get ready, because a change is a coming. And I want to welcome you to our new group, to a new phase, a new season in your life. And it's going to be all the way live. So I just want to come on here real quick and just let you know that things are happening. And I want to invite you to be part of it. Come along with us and hold on for the ride, because it's going to be a great one. All right, you ladies, have a good day. I just want to say hey to you. Peace, peace. And I'll talk to you later. Have a good rest of your weekend.